366 days. A leap year has 366 days, and generally we have 365 days in a year. 365 days in a year. So when we have 366 days in a year, that year is known as leap year. That year is known as leap year, and in the leap year the month of February has 29 days. What I said, that in a leap year the month of February has 29 days. So in this blank space write 29, children. Ketan, start writing. In the last blank you will write 29, because in a leap year the month of February has 29 days. And so we'll put our tick on option D, that is 29. Okay. I'll repeat, in a year there are 365 days, but a year having 366 days is known as a leap year. And in a leap year, February month has 29 days. 29 days. Okay, Tarini, you need to rotate your camera. Okay. Tarini, you need to rotate your camera. Okay. Now next, this page is, we have completed this page number 23. Now, children, please open page number 2929 of your math course book. Write date and classwork on page number 29. Okay, open page number 2929. Yes, children, please open page number 2929 of your math course book. Write date and classwork on page number 29. Okay, so here what we have to do is, Vineet,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read this question for me? Sum of, Vineet,
I can answer screen, ma'am.
open your book then. Page number 29.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
S M O N
No.
T
SOM is sum of the
the
months
month the months of the
are missing Okay, Vineet. Thank you. Arohi, can you read that question for me?
what, ma'am?
Please read that question for me. Sum of
Some of the some of the
months
marks are some of the marks are
missing
missing
below, yeah.
below
Hmm.
fill in the name of
those
Marks.
months. Okay. Thank you, Arohi. So first month is missing. So what is the first month of the year? Arohi, first month. January. And what is the spelling of January?
J
Yes.
A
J-A. Quickly.
January.
Good. So January spelling is January, January. Okay, fine. Thank you, Arohi. Now next. Tanvi Sri after January.
February.
Okay, February is already there. After February.
March.
And spelling of March.
M-A-R-C-H. March.
Yeah. So next month will be after February. We'll write here March. M-A-R-C-H. March. Now next. Pradiksha after March.
March. April.
Spelling of April.
L U
What? Yes, Pradiksha, tell
L
me.
U
No. A-P.
A P
Hmm.
A P A P R I L.
Hmm. Next,
April.
after March, we'll write April, and spelling of April is A-P-R-I-L, April. Now, after April, May. After April, next month is May. Ashwath after May. Ashwath Chakravarti after May, next month.
Ma'am.
After May, which month?
June.
Very good, June. And what is the spelling of June?
June.
Very good. So, after April, next month is May, and after May, we have June, and spelling of June is June, June. Very good. Hayati after June, next month.
July.
July. What is the spelling of July?
G-U-L-Y. July.
Very good. And after July?
August.
August. What is the spelling of August?
A-U-G.
Hmm.
U-S-T. August.
Very good. Spelling of August is J-A-U-G-U-S-T, August. Good. So children, now write spelling of August. A-U-G-U-S-T, August. Now next. Ananya after August.
After August. September.
What is the spelling of September?
S-C-P. Sep. T-E-R.
After that?
B-E-R.
September. After September?
October.
October. So what is the spelling of October?
O-C-T-O.
O-C-T-O.
B-E-R.
Very good. Spelling of October is O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. Ayan Puluru, please unmute yourself.
Mom.
After October.
November.
Very good. So after October, we'll write November. What is the spelling of November?
N
N.
U
No, O.
N U
O.
N-O. O.
Hmm. M.
N. G.
Huh? V.
V.
Hmm. Ashita, you tell me spelling of November.
November.
Again tell.
November. November.
Very good, Ashita. Ayan, please learn spellings. November, November. Very good. And last one is December. That's already done. So please write correct spelling, children. Okay. Now we'll start next question. That is question number 6. Which month comes? So your first bit is before July. Which month comes before July? Okay, which month comes before July? Bhavashrit,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavashrit, you tell me which month comes just before July.
June.
And what is the spelling of June?
June.
Very good. So June comes just after July. So children, please write there June, June, June. Okay. Arhan Mohammed,
Yes, ma'am.
please read next question. Bit B.
September.
Read question first.
After August. September.
Very good. So which month comes after August? September. So we'll write there September. So spelling of September is September. September. Children, please write correct spelling. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 29 of your math course book. Okay, so September comes just after August. Swarnika,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, please read next bit. Bit C. Read that question.
Between October and December, November.
Very good. So November comes between October and December. So we'll write here November. So answer for third bit is, that is bit C, November. November, November. Okay. Ketan,
Yes, ma'am.
next question. Bit D. Read that question.
Ma'am.
Next question. Fourth question. Bit D.
March.
Before March.
Before March.
Yeah. So which month comes before, just before March?
February.
February. And do you know spelling of February?
Yes.
Tell.
February.
February, February. So February comes just after, sorry, just before March. Okay. Now next. Mana, please read next question. Fifth one.
After January, February will come.
Okay, very good. So February comes just after January. So we'll write here February again. So answer for fifth bit is February. Spelling is February, February. Now, next question. Pradiksha,
Yes,
please,
ma'am.
please read next question. Bit F. Between,
Okay, ma'am.
please read, huh? Between. Pradiksha, you need to read the question.
I will write in rough book, ma'am.
Pradiksha, I asked you to read the question. Bit F.
Okay, ma'am.
Between, between,
Between
hmm?
ഇതിലാണ് ഇതിലാണ് between
Hmm?
March
Hmm?
and
And?
May,
So which month comes between March and May?
April.
And what is the spelling of April?
April. April.
Yes. So spelling of April is April, April. So answer for bit F is April, April, April. Okay. Brinda, please read last question. Last one.
November.
No question. Read that question first.
Before
Hmm?
December,
Which month comes before December?
November. November.
Good. So answer for last bit is November because November comes before just before December. So spelling is November, November. November, November. Now children, please write correct spelling and write these answers in your course book. You have 1 minute time, write quickly. And do not make any spelling mistake. Is there anyone who is still writing? If nobody is writing, then we'll move ahead. Is there anyone who is still writing? If nobody is writing, then we'll move ahead, children. Sai Joshit, are you still writing?
Yes.
Please write fast. Sai Joshit, done. Sai Joshit,
Ma'am.
done.
Yes.
Okay. So children, I am clearing this now. Okay, so now do one thing, children. Take out your math notebook and write date and class work in your math notebook. Take out your math notebook, write date and class work in your math notebook. Quickly. Take out your math notebook, children. Write date and class work in your math notebook. Tarini, are you writing? Yes, children. Take out your math notebook. Write date and class work in your math notebook. Okay. Now after this, leave a line and then start writing. After writing date and class work, you have to leave a line and then you have to write 1 week is equal to 7 days. Because there are 7 days in a week, so 1 week is equal to 7 days. Then you will leave a line and then you will write 1 year is equal to 12 months. And listen carefully, children. After every bit you have to leave one line. After every bit you will leave one line and then you will write 1 week is equal to 7 days. Then again you will leave a line and then you will write 1 year is equal to 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. And please write correct spelling. Okay. Then 1 year is equal to, Veda, in 1 year how many days are there?
365 days or 366 days.
Very good. And in a leap year?
366 days.
Very good. If a year has 366 days, then that year will be known as leap year. Very good, Veda.
What is the
Leap year.
Yes, Advit Gujja.
Ma'am, page number?
Advit, this you have to write in your math notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Janvi.
I can't see the screen, ma'am. It's all black.
Wait. Let me cross check. Siddharth, are you able to see the screen?
1 week is equal to 7 days.
Next.
1 year is equal to 12 months.
Next.
1 year is equal to.
Okay. Okay. Ananya, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Janvi, then there must be some network issue from your side because other children are able to see. Please check your network, Janvi. Okay. Yeah. So children, 1 year is equal to 365 or 366 days. Okay. So So 1 year has 365 or 366 days. Now next again you will leave one line and then you will write leap year is equal to how many days? Tarini, a leap year has how many days? Just, 2 minutes back I have told.
29.
No, February has 29 days, but a leap year has how many days?
Leap
Okay,
year.
Tarini, first tell me a year has how many days?
Seppu.
How many days are there in a year?
Year 12.
Months.
Oh,
Month.
I'm asking you days. How many days are there in a year?
Miss, she is not listening classes today nicely, you know.
Tarini, why? What happened?
I'm telling from morning. She is not listening classes from morning nicely.
Tarini, please pay attention, okay, and listen carefully.
Year 365 or 366 days.
Ma'am,
Wait, Ayan.
what is me?
Wait. Yeah, now Ayan. Wait. Tarini, listen carefully, okay? Yes, Ayan.
Ma'am, what is mean by leap?
Leap year means if a year has 300.
Morning.
I'm explaining. If a year has 366 days, then that year is known as leap year because in that year, February will have 29 days. Okay. Generally, February month has 28 days, but if January month has 29 days, then that year is known as leap year. This means that year will have 366 days. Okay, Anne? Ayan, now is this clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, I, Ritvik.
Ma'am, 360 days.
300.
366 days.
Yes, that's correct. So a leap year has 366 days. Okay. Next is 1 day is equal to how many hours? Sai Joshit, you tell me how many hours are there in a day?
24.
Very good. So we'll write here 24. A 1 day has 24 hours. HOURS hours. And children, please write correct spelling again and again. I'm repeating this that you all have to write correct spelling. Okay. Next is okay. Next, right? There are 12 numbers on a clock. And children, what you have to do here is now you have to underline this 12. Okay? Underline this 12. There are 12 numbers on a clock. You have to underline this also. After this, again, you will leave one line and then you will write the next bit. Face of a clock is called Siddharth. Face of a clock is called
Ma'am,
Face of a clock is called what? Okay.
Face of a
I'm waiting. Yes, Siddharth.
Ma'am, I forgot it, ma'am.
You forgot it, huh? When did you remember it? Okay. Tanvisri, you tell me face of a clock is called?
Ma'am,
Face of a clock. No. Advait Gujja, you tell me face of a clock.
yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Circle.
Circle. No, that's wrong. Yes, Ritvik. Yes, Ritvik. Tell me.
I don't know, ma'am.
Then why did you raise an option? Yes, Veda.
Ma'am, face of the clock is dial.
Very good. Face of a clock is known as dial. Yes, Ritvik. Face of a clock is called a dial. And children, you have to underline this dial, okay? Sai Ritvik, do you have any doubt? Children, underline this dial, okay? Face of a clock is called a dial. Sai Ritvik. Yeah, Sai Ritvik. Sai Ritvik, there is some network issue.